Hello friends, how are you? Hope everyone good fine. Today I'm gonna show you underarm waxing before and after. This one we use the Depilatory TeaTree wax. We need the wax warmer, wax strip, spatula and wax lotion. Let's start. First I apply the powder in the underarm, and this my clients is underarm for the shaving underarm hairs. First, I apply the TeaTree wax in the hair direction. Is the two direction is one is up and one is down. I apply the TeaTree wax and take the strip, apply and press them and take out the opposite direction. And same thing is the second part. Apply the hair direction. Apply the wax very well. Take the strip, press them and pull out the hair opposite direction. Always be remember, you wanna check which direction here. Just apply the strip, press the strip and take out the opposite direction. All the hairs come out in one time. You feel is little bit one and two more hair, just apply for the hair direction for the one time more. Wax is the TeaTree wax, and then after take the strip and apply, press them for the hair direction and take out the opposite direction. You see all the hairs come very neat and clean, come out is the strip all the hairs. And then after we apply the wax lotion, wax oil is very most important. And one thing more, that time you skip the deodorant, spray, all the kind of stuff for the underarm you apply. One day just skip, otherwise skin is burning, painful. Same thing we apply for the another underarm. We check all the hair is the one direction. Apply the powder and apply for the TeaTree wax in the hair direction for the one side all the hairs, and then take the strip, apply, press them very well and tap and take out the opposite direction for the hair direction, whichever the hair direction. You see all the hairs come out, little left one and two more hairs. And then apply the TeaTree wax one time more and take the strip, press very well and take out the opposite direction for the hair direction. You see all the hair come out in the strip, all the dead skin come out in the strip. Underarm is very neat and clean. Then after apply the wax oil and do little massage, client feel very good and relax. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please comment this channel which video you like it. We upload more. Thank you.